This is a story about the El Paso and Southwest Railroad. Like many railroads in the early 1900s, the El Paso was made up of smaller railroads that were acquired or merged. One of these railroads was logging in the 9,000-foot-high Sacramento Mountains, north of El Paso, the Alamogordo and Sacramento Railroad. It was merged into the El Paso in 1905. El Pasoans and other regional residents and tourists soon discovered an alternate use of the mountain as an escape from the desert heat via tourist cars on the trains. High Rolls and Cloudcroft became tourist destinations, but the trains that took tourists also delivered logs to Alamogordo. Because of the variety of tasks performed by the EPSW, it was a fine candidate for my model railroad. This video is a merger of Andrew Bernay's fine photography collection, the Bureau of Land Management Cloudcroft project, and my model railroad. I hope you enjoy the video and learn about steam railroads in New Mexico.